ठीक है, अमेजिंग, फिट है।
जी ब्रो, बहुत आला। आई थिंक हम लोग बहुत नेक्स्ट लेवल, बट लाइक हम लोग अपना 100% देते हैं ना ब्रो, पूरी चीज हो जाती है, ठीक है। तो
I
तुम भी
completely
कर रही हो,
agree.
हम लोग अपना 100% देते हैं ना ब्रो, पूरी चीज हो जाती है, ठीक है।
My desk is a mess now, and it's not doing good for my anxiety right now. 1 second. It is a week before Ajeeb in Lahore, and Areeb is out of the country. Afan and Farzan are in Karachi with the rest of the team, and me and Farhan are the only members of Ajeeb who are really in Lahore. And I'm hosting Ajeeb in Lahore. I've never hosted an event before. I grew up as a very shy kid, so when Areeb was like, "Oh, can you host it?" I was like, "Yeah, for sure." But like, Van and Farzan are flying out for it, but I feel like they'll only be able to help me more when they're on ground. They're bringing all the printouts though, and they're going to be here. Areeb is doing whatever he can virtually in spirit. And Mariam's going to fly out for it too. Coincidentally, she had a friend's wedding. And yeah, Armaghan is in Hungary, and he's just been like a powerhouse that's come to the design aspects of it.
Yeah, script mein to I had to like experiment a lot. I tried my best to stay true to the Jeep spirit as पूरे design में. Sorry, चाय बहुत गर्म थी.
Am I anxious? Yes. Yes, I am. Am I stressed? Also, yes, because while also trying to figure out how to keep the event going and keep pushing it on social media organically, I'm also just trying to balance client projects with it, because there are, a million other things going on with the studio at all times. We love doing community events, and we do it so that our community can actually rely on us to hold these things and grow, because, we can complain about these events not existing, but I feel like, if they don't exist and you want them to, then just make them happen. And if you're watching this video, that means the event happened and it was successful. I'm not stressed. Are you stressed? Are you stressed? Nah. So now updates is we have some client feedback I need to get to with the team. I have to sort out some stuff with Armaghan. Say hello, YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Perfect.
What's up?
Casper bolo. Walaikum assalam. Okay, thank you, Casper.
God.
So I'm on my way to meet Afan at Dot, and hopefully we'll be able to hash out, because it's his first time seeing the venue. I'm the only one in the team who's seen the venue so far, so hopefully he's gonna be able to help me figure out the layout for a couple of things. We're gonna see what materials we need if we need them. We have 1 out of 3 Tariq brothers in Lahore.
फरजान को पता है आज नहीं आ रहा,
नहीं आ
कल
रहा?
शाम आएगा. फरजान की आज की फ्लाइट थी, शाम की कैंसिल हो गई. फिर उसको कोई फ्लाइट मिली नहीं. फिर उसको मिली कल सुबह की फ्लाइट इस्लामाबाद की. वो इस्लामाबाद जाएगा, फिर वहाँ से बस लेकर आएगा, पता है? हाँ,
Why?
क्योंकि लाहौर की फ्लाइट नहीं मिल रही,
क्यों?
बस नहीं मिल रही थी. और आई थिंक अगर मिल रही थी ना तो लाइक 60,000 में मिल रही थी. उसने बोला कि ब्रो मैं चले जाता हूँ दिन में, क्या बोलते हैं, इस्लामाबाद, और वहाँ से फिर बस लेकर आ जाएगा.
गाइज, अब हम ऑनेस्टली अफान सुबह 9-10 बजे कराची से उससे निकलना था, 3 बज गए, अभी तक कोई काम नहीं शुरू किया.
लेकिन अभी भी एक चीज़ की कमी है.
किस चीज़ की? आइस्ड अमेरिकानो.
आइस अमेरिकानो. वही फेस की क्या, ये फेस ट्रैक कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है?
हाँ, फेस ट्रैक करें.
नहीं.
आज फेस ट्रैकिंग ऑन होगी.
हाँ,
आई थिंक सो.
नहीं है.
ऑन तुम कर सकते हो.
एक जाहिल अनपढ़ लग रहे हैं, क्या
बांटने से बढ़ता है.
So after having a delicious breakfast with Odie, me and Afan, we headed to Dot, back to Dot. And this was about the first time that me, Afan and Farhan were in Dot at the same time. It was actually Afan and Farhan's first time at Dot. And immediately their reaction to the space was, this is beautiful. We don't think we could have picked a better place for Ajeeb in Lahore than this. So we sat down, we planned, we made lists, we tried to see where we could organize, we started dividing up tasks, because a lot of the stuff we were doing before was planning in theory, but now we actually had to start implementing a lot of stuff. Whoa! We are back in business. Mustafa is here, also he landed.
I don't have anything to say now. मैं कितना वैसे हॉट लग रहा हूँ. Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we have Maham Chandio from the Chandio family. Maham Chandio, what is your opinion on life?
No opinion. Hey guys, so it is Thursday and the event is on Sunday. And a really important thing that we realized later while marketing the event and not sooner is that even though ADF was such a huge success in Karachi and we got a lot of creative response from there, doesn't mean that Lahore knows what ADF or even what Ajeeb is. And because of that, all our reels were basically marketed towards people who already knew what Ajeeb was doing. I'm stressed. So what I did is I recorded a reel basically that is now in this. I forgot the memory cards in the camera. I am just going to edit this real quick. I called Armagan and I told him, hey man, I am editing a video. He's like, oh, when do we need it by? I'm like, oh, immediately. And he was like, what? Let me just check in with Farzan and Afan. So to give you guys a rundown of today, it's one day until the event. The event is tomorrow. Mariam is landing today. Farzan is coming via Daewoo today because for some reason there are no flights coming from Karachi to Lahore. I'm on my way to pick up Afan for breakfast. We're gonna have some breakfast, we're gonna chill, and then we're gonna get to work. We have to have everything completely A to Z set up today for the event. Praying for no hiccups because yesterday's website was not working. So I kind of had to hop in and because people are so dedicated to getting tickets. They're like, oh, can you give us like a bank account and we'll transfer the money there directly. And we'll keep a receipt on us and then you can just give us our tickets at the gate. So like that's like the kind of dedication where I don't want to leave those kinds of people hanging, and nor does the team. So yeah, if like their service wasn't working, I sent them my banking info and then I'm gonna manually put in their CNICs into a sheet today so that we don't kick them out. But I really hope there aren't any hiccups today and I really hope we sell a bunch of more tickets today. It is very promising for what's gonna be happening on gate. Gonna have to keep a tally of that as well. I'm gonna have to ask a reference as well. So yeah, a lot to kind of just sort out in that sort of way. Today is a mix of just hanging out, relaxing, but also just making sure everything is done. Hopefully no minor hiccups today. Yeah. Hello. Walaikum assalam.
Good morning. मैं शर्ट स्त्री कर रहा था यार. चलें बिस्मिल्लाह. नाश्ता पहले करना है प्लीज.
Yes. कहाँ जाना है?
यार आई डोंट नो. ओडी चलें.
Guys, also gonna do on-spot tickets, so people, might be filling up space. Mustafa, brother, I have a question. जो आपकी talk है, वो तो fit है, कोई visuals नहीं है. Mariam is here. Mariam, say hello to the camera behind. Out of everything Mariam could have brought from Karachi, this was her.
गिफ्ट लाई है गिफ्ट
This was her most prized possession.
हेलो हाय आई थिंक
मीडिया वॉलंटियर्स को टाइम दे दिया, सबवे को टाइम दे दिया है,
काम देख रहे हैं सबवे वालों को टाइम दे दिया मीडिया वालों को टाइम
स्पीकर्स को दोबारा एक आज मैसेज आएगा, वी वांट देम हियर 30 मिनट्स बिफोर देयर टॉक. फरजान यार, प्रिंटिंग वगैरह हर चीज़ की होगी थी, प्रिंटिंग वगैरह हर चीज़ की होगी.
और क्या था टीम के कार्ड्स
यार हमने टिकट के बैंड्स बनाए थे यार, टैग्स भी नहीं, स्पीकर्स के तो होने चाहिए यार. 8 बजे जगहें बंद हो जाएंगी प्रिंटिंग
क्या टाइम हो
की.
रहा है उसको बोल देना अपने वेंडर को जितनी क्वांटिटी है फरहान को बताओ टैग्स और वो स्पीकर्स के लैनियर्ड्स के साथ और बताओ.
ये वाले तो प्रिंट कराए हैं ना स्टिकर ब्रो, ये तो नेम टैग्स हैं, रेक्टेंगल्स थे ब्रो,
क्यों कटाए?
ले लेते यार.
ये मैं दिमाग में निकल गया.
निसाम भाई, आप अभी शॉप पे बैठे हैं? आप क्या नुमान या सलमान भाई शॉप पे हैं? एक काम था ज़रूरी, वो ना मेरे लिए जो स्टैम्प बनवाना था फ़ौरन, मतलब अर्जेंट. ठीक है, कितने के बनेगा? बस हमें सिंपल स्टैम्प चाहिए, साथ में इंक पैड यूज़ कर लेंगे. आप ये चेक करें, मैं आपको फ़ाइल सेंड करती हूँ.
बन रहा है
उन्होंने कहा है बस मुझे 1 मिनट में कॉल बैक कर रहे हैं. या तो वो आज रात लेट दे देंगे या कल सुबह.
रात को करते प्लीज़ करके ना कर देंगे, वैसे कर देंगे.
कोशिश कर रही हूँ, लेट बहुत हो गया है.
Good morning, everyone. It is, well, I've been up since 7 a.m. It's like 8:27 right now, and I'm currently sitting at my desk working on event files. You might be wondering, Mom, why are you working on event files, silly? It's almost time for the event. And it's because my OCD ass is the only thing, the camera's in the way, I have to look around it, is the only thing that will think of everything before the event. I swear. I realized when we left the venue that like we don't have any standees or flexes printed. So on my way home from the venue last night at 10:30 p.m. I called Armagan. No, first I called a printer and I begged them to print out 3 like standees, because how are people gonna know we're talking in the basement, and then how are people gonna know that this is the place for the event? So got those designed in 20 minutes, so shout out to Armagan for doing that. And then I sent the order for those, and then I had them shipped to Farhan at like 12 a.m. So shout out to Farhan for also being a trooper and getting the flexes at 12 a.m. And I woke up at 7 and it dawned upon me that because Dot has so much artwork on it, we can't really put up any big posters like we did for ADF with the schedule on them, and we didn't take that into account that also people are silly, right? So I feel like when you design an event, you need to, I love our audience, people are silly. Instead of looking up the thing on their phone or Instagram, they will want us to know when the timings are, which is okay, fair. I'm butchering this right now because I'm really tired, but like I still fixed it and I'm proud of myself, and this moment had to be documented. We're on our way to the event. Not the event, but the cafe. And Farhan will hopefully meet us soon with the printed posters. Inshallah.
Assalamualaikum. So it is, I think, 10:05 or something. Maham ne bhi mujhe pick kiya and we are going to Dot. मसले की बात ये है कि I still haven't made my presentation. I
You're
passed
doing what
out.
you did at ATF.
Exactly, bro. It's like क्या बोलते हैं? उस चीज को क्या बोलते हैं bro? डेजा वू. ओहो, एक टाइम में बोला ब्रो हमने. हाँ, अभी तक मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन रेडी नहीं है, लेकिन जुनैम बॉय विल हेल्प मी आउट. और मैं जुनैम को बताऊंगा ये करना है, ये इधर डालो, उधर डालो. हो गया डिज़ाइन. आई नो व्हाट आई हैव टू से, but I don't know what the visual will look like. But we're just about to reach dot and get some work done. Get ready by 11. We start at 11:30 inshallah.
I'll be doing a phone presentation.
ये
hopefully.
अफान ने कब बताया? रात को या अभी निकलते हुए?
जुनैम ब्रो हेल्प कर लेगा.
This is so fun. अब आ गए हैं मुस्तफ़ा और फरहान. हाँ, कैमरा सबका वहाँ पड़ा. फरहान, एक बात बोलूँ? एक सेकंड, लेट मी टर्न द कैमरा टुवर्ड्स यू. You look like Steve Jobs. Sanan, wait. Turn. Yeah. This is the BTS we need, bro. ये लगाना शुरू करते हैं.
ये ना कहना कि तो मार्जिन पैडिंग सेम नहीं है यहाँ पे.
मैं इसको मारूंगी. कट रही है. आइबा इधर आर्टवर्क बना रही है. Beautiful. Thank you. I will get it signed by her and keep it. But now we are going downstairs to figure this out. I'm gonna say that we're gonna start in a bit. Abhi I'm going to have them play music. I'm going to introduce Ajeeb and I think let's start aram se. What do you think? भाई कोई lo-fi soft music है, lo-fi type. अभी शुरू करने वाले हैं. फरहान bro, can you have everyone move to the front, because as Awam starts pulling up, we don't want them to come sit in front of the people who are already there. Be like, oh, you know, guys, the first talk is about to start. I'm going to talk about Ajeeb a bit, the event a bit. फिर उसके बाद I need you to open up Umair's thing for Umair. उसके बाद मैं जब बोलूँगी ना कि our first speaker is Umair, आके ना कर देना, ठीक है? सामने आना. Ajeeb in Lahore was truly something that, when initially discussed, was not something I thought we could pull off, because so far events that we had done for Ajeeb were mainly centered around Karachi. And although I am from Lahore and I love Karachi, they both hold very different energies. But at the end of the day, everyone who showed up, from the crowd, the speakers, the team, everyone, they shared such lovely energy that made the entire event come to life. It is one thing to be creating and branding and doing things as a studio, and it's another thing to also try your hand at shaping the landscape to create spaces for creatives to come and have those conversations, or to create a space for a creative and a non-creative to come and talk about things and learn about things. And so our goal with Ajeeb in Lahore was to invite people who love Ajeeb, but also to invite those who were unfamiliar with it. And I think we met that goal. And we were all exhausted after the event, honestly. It was fun to just hang around after that. I remember for a week after the event, I was tired, everyone was tired. No one wanted to talk anymore. We're gonna keep planning events like this. We're gonna keep doing it. And we're gonna keep doing it because you guys keep showing us love.
बड़ा मज़ा आया. Good event, good fun, good people. So again, I have my flight at 10 p.m. I think it's 8 right now. I have to leave or I have to get back to Karachi. Get back to work, more fun. मैं random बकवास कर रहा हूँ, but see you all again.
Outro में बात करो. Final thoughts on the event, bro. सबसे
Final thoughts on the event. I very enjoyed the event. First talk and I don't know shit कि मैंने कैसा किया क्योंकि किसी ने रिव्यू देने का जहमत भी नहीं की मुझे.
क्या देने की?
रिव्यू फीडबैक
तेरे दोस्त
फीडबैक गालियों के अलावा कुछ और कोई
मैं देख नहीं पाया तुम्हारे.